This very quick video guide, we're going to see a pretty useful tool in our Windows operative system. So I'm going to use PC here, and we're going to do a search using an image. Now we can search the entire image, or we can search only parts of the image. So what I'm going to do is select one image here from Windows. So I can start directly from my Windows folder, and you can select it from here. You can see the preview, and then if you want to open it up, you can just right click, or you can open it from directly here. So right click, open, click on open, and also you can double click. And this is the Windows photo visualizer. So you can open the photo using this visualizer, and you have a lot of tools here. Like you can send it to the cloud and many other features. You can change the zoom to see it better, and you can see it more in details. Down here in the center, you should see a search with Bing. So that's a visual search. And thanks to this, we can go directly on the web using this image, and we can search using the image. So to use the visual search, we can click down here, and it's gonna search here everything that is inside this crop area. So we can change the cropping area. So right now it's finding me this church, which is a specific search. So if I make this smaller and I put it somewhere else in the image, it's gonna go only for that it's inside the frame, which is like a pavement, like a material for pavements, or like I can use that as a texture for 3D. And that's the grass, and here there are people, etc., etc. So whatever I frame inside that cropping area will be then searched, and we can find related content. So we have all results here, and then related content. And we can also have the possibility to transform text. So to extract the text from the image, copy and paste it somewhere else, and then change it. So I don't have any text in here, so all I need to do is upload an image. You can also go from here without going back to Windows. You can go directly on the website and drag and drop in this area, or you can just paste an image or URL. You can take a photo with your device directly, or just click on browse and go in your folders again and look for the image you want to use. So I'm going to use these images from Unity course, and I expand the frame here. So it should detect that text. We can see again related content, and if we go in the text, we can see the text that are in this screenshot. So you can take those and copy and paste them. So it's really useful if you want to use a text that is inside an image, which you cannot like directly use. So by using this, you can use it, you can copy it into somewhere else, or you can just translate it, etc., etc. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to stay updated. If you want to thank us, join the channel as a supporter. Check our courses and other video guides that you find in the channel. Search if you're looking for something specific. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.